US crude has seen a good drop yesterday. I told you that you can go short below 96. We can expect 94, 92 levels. Precisely, it achieved 92 and bounced back from there, trading now at again close to 92 levels. Similarly, NG has traded also in a bearish zone, though it opened lower, but it still uh, tried to manage about try to manage trading above $8 levels. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit, whether to go short, whether to go long, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Do watch the next analysis before the US cash session on gold, Dow Jones, Nasdaq. Do watch the other analysis on other commodities and indices as well. Definitely it will help you in day trading decisions. Let's start with US crude first. US crude trading at 92.4 levels. Before I come up to the daily charts, look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, it is again trying to break again on the downside, go short at $92 levels. See, this is again trying to come out of this consolidation and it may give you further bigger candles on the downside. Hence, one can stay short at 92. Now look at this 93 levels, you have to be watchful of 93.2. If it breaks beyond 93.2, go long. So in between 92 and 93.2, do not trade. On the upside, there is resistance at 94 and 96. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is still in red. RSI is at the bottom. On the 2-hour charts also, it is giving you a breakout here. Hence be watchful. Be watchful of 92 levels. Below that, it can give you couple or more red candles taking it below 90 levels. And there is a possibility, but go short only below 92. Directional movement extremely bearish, stochastic is comfortable, the MACD is bearish, RSI is oversold on the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. It is giving you a breakout. Probability exists that it can give you couple or more red candles, but it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. Be watchful of $92. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is at bottom, the MACD is white divergent bearish, RSI is oversold, near to oversold levels. Hence we can expect a bounce back also, but because see most indicators are oversold, that is why I am looking forward to a bounce back. But look at this, and you can see it is giving a breakout on the 4-hour charts too. Appears that we may see a little more bearish move. 92 levels should be very strong support, and I think it can sustain, it should sustain these levels. If it breaks below 92, possibility exists that you can go short for 90.2 levels. 91 and 90.2, it can come back till here, and from there a bounce back can be expected. So it can achieve sub 90 and then bounce back. There is a probability of it. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish and RSI is also near to bottom. Similarly, if you look at the daily chart, see this is a breakout here and this is the first red candle. Hence, after such breakouts, it may give succession in, it may give red candles in succession. So yes, but if it trades beyond 92, then only I will recommend it to go short. Then 91 and 90.2, these two levels you have to watch out for. Below that, it is going to achieve 88 levels. If not today, then tomorrow possibly we may see it happening. And if you look at this, directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking downwards, the MACD is converging and trying to cross over for a sell entry. RSI is looking downwards too, and hence yes, we can expect a little drop, but maybe for next few candles it can try to trade sideways in between 93.5 to 92 or $90 levels. In between these $3.5 it may try to stay sideways. First it may try to attempt and achieve $90 levels, then a bounce back towards 92, 93, and then to again a drop can be expected. Below 90 it can definitely drop furthermore towards $88 levels. And then you recall my long-term target is $80, which I had expected and I had predicted couple of months back that it is going to hit $80 when it was trading at around 110, 120. I told you that it may hit $80 levels. Similarly, I am again expecting it to achieve those levels, and hence you have to be cautious while taking a position. For now, for today, below 92 go short and above 93.5 go long. In between these $1.5, do not take any position. Above 93.5, 94 is the first target, 95.2 and 96 are the next targets. On the downside, if it breaks below 92, you can go short for 91.2, 90.2 levels, and below 90.2 you can expect a good break for 89.5 and 88 levels. Take your positions accordingly. And now let's have a look at NG. NG has seen a high of 8.4, retracing again on the downside. 8.13 is a good support, and then 8.1 is a good support. Only if it breaks below 8.1, you can go short for 8.05, and then below that you can see it breaking towards 7.95, 7.8 levels. On the upside, look at this, it is nothing, just trying to give you lower highs, and it is still trying to give you a slightly, you can say, long term bearish channel. But yes, if it breaks beyond, you can say, 8.3 now, if it breaks beyond 8.3, possibility exists that it is going to fly high. So yes, yesterday it has achieved not 8.4 but 8.3 levels, and now trying to trade with a little drop. It may try to retrace again on the upside. Let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement willing to cross over for a sell. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is comfortable and indicates that it can try to give you little bearish moves. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, see couple of green candles, retracement, support there at 8.13, breaking below which you can expect it to come back for 8.08, 8.05, and below that you can expect it to drop below $8 level. See, lower highs are seen, and hence it is still trying to trade bearish. Lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this channel, and probably we can wait for 8.3 to break for going long. Until the time it trades below 8.3, I will not recommend you to go long, and probably you can go short at 8.1 and expect it to remain bearish. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is overbought now, looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is flat. If you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the second red candle for retracement. Possibility exists that this should be considered as a retracement alone till the time it trades above 8.1. Yes, you can remain cautious. Below 8.1, we can expect below 8.1 you can expect 8.05, 8 rather I'll say 7.95 levels, and below that it is going to crash for 7.8 again, and below that it may further drop well below those levels. Do not think that it may turn bullish, because 8.3 is the high which I was looking forward to. It is achieved. The directional movement is comfortable. Stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD has just crossed over 3 candles back, hence it is still trying to trade bullish. RSI is comfortable. Only MACD is the bullish indication right now. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, this is the second red candle. But after such single strong candle, generally it retraces to the half the size at probably 8.05 level should get achieved. And from there we decide what to do. Only if it breaks below this zone at 7.9, you should consider this as bearish, and then below that it is going to break heavily on the downside. Be watchful of $8 and then 7.9 levels. This is second observation here. And directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic overbought. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. RSI trading flat. If you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find it has shown you good swing here. It has filled the gap. Lower highs are done and lower lows are done, trying to trade in this channel. The second candle specifically I will be watchful of. If it breaks past 8.3, go long there and you can stay long on the upside. Else I should consider that as a retracement. On the downside, once it breaks below 8.1, you can go short, and then $8 level should be achieved, and then below that we can expect 7.9 is the next support. Below that it is going to crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic on the daily charts is at bottom, and hence a bounce back. It is oversold, and the bounce back can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge. RSI is trading flat. Considering this, go short at 8.1. But remember, till the time it trades above $8 levels, I will not consider. Rather, till the time it trades above 7.9, I will not consider this as bearish. It should be a retracement, and then from there it can bounce back. On the upside, you can go long at $8.3 levels. Beyond that, definitely a stronger bullish move can be expected on the upside. So take your positions accordingly, trade positively, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, 13th batch starting on 8th of August. Strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable trader. Or join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.